Good afternoon, everybody. This is Arthur at On the Block. It is June 2nd, Wednesday, June 2nd, around 2 p.m. in the East. And it's official. This is the first time I've gone live on YouTube for On the Block. So I'm a little nervous. I've got a little bit of a plan. Hopefully not too many people watch until later on and we get to edit it. But okay, so here we are. It's 2 in the afternoon. Let's go take a quick look at the markets. I am just figuring out how to exactly use this. Let's go ahead and take a look. What do we have? Oop, I just turned it off. I want to go ahead and take a look at the markets. Here we go. Please bear with me. Thank you very much for your patience. Okay. That'd be great. For the first person to leave a comment would be nice. Just someone say hello to me, please. Bitcoin trading at 37,929. Ethereum 2762. A lot of green on the market today, not an overwhelming amount of excitement. The same thing we've been saying for the past couple of days. We are going sideways. We are going very, very sideways. And I'm trying to see, I'm looking here to see we are live, and that's what I've been looking for. Hey, Vasil, how are you? I got my first comment. Thank you very much for being my first comment there. I appreciate that. Okay. So let's take a quick look. I want to keep going down through the charts because, look, the very first thing, and I don't want to make this the first comment of all my crypto trading of my live stream, but my first comment, and I'm just going to the charts here. Dogecoin is now live on Coinbase Pro. Okay, so as much as we sit there and laugh a little bit at Dogecoin and say, "What is this?" If Elon Musk isn't going away, Dogecoin isn't going away. So take a look at Dogecoin. Look at the chart. This is going to be the first official chart we do on. This is the first official chart we do on the Block Live. So here we go. Dogecoin's popped up. It's gone up. It hit a lot of resistance up here at 44. You can see this resistance up here came back down. That's a line they've seen before. Now, I'm going to be honest. I was pissed off the other day. This has come up. The RSI has come up. The MACD is about to go positive, about to go green. This is probably a good buy in the range closer down to the 30, 31 cents. But now you're up closer to you ticking up. You had ticked up to 40, which is a lot of resistance. Again, if Elon's not going away, Dogecoin's not going away. Let's keep going on down. Bitcoin stuck range bound. Bitcoin is as range bound as it can be. It just sits there between 40 and 33,000, bouncing back and forth. If you look, everybody's been talking about this triangle, this flag, and then it's going to have to break out soon. But here's the one thing I want to keep pointing out. This is the one thing we're not paying attention to in all this. When this came down, when Bitcoin came down, look at the volume. When we came down here all the way through this, look at all this volume, okay? We're going sideways, and the volume is dried up. We're in oversold. The MACD has been green for a while. This volume is signed up. This is the trading range we're in. Like if you're a trader and you're going to day trade, you're going to trade this on an hourly or 4-hour or 24-hour charts. Yeah, this is sitting here. It's not that hard to trade. I mean, if Bitcoin is just sitting there in between these two ranges. But if you step out, let's take a step out. When in doubt, zoom out. Thank you, Coins Kid, for that one. If you step out and take a look at this, and let me get rid of my scribbles here, where does this look like it's going? This doesn't look to me like a coin that's ready to take off or turn around. The volume here is all huge, but that's all on the downside. I'm not seeing when a coin turns around, when a coin reverses its pattern, you want to see huge volume coming in, tremendous volume coming in, not just simply a little low volume and then a trickle up. If you're asking me, and you are, if you're asking me on Bitcoin, this has and this is what freaks everybody out. I'll show you exactly what freaks everybody out about Bitcoin. Here it is right here. 40 to 33. Look what happens under this. This line right here, by the way, this line right here that I've drawn, that is the 2018 high of about 19,898. Okay? Between this range right here, under 30,000, there's nothing. There's no support. There's no resistance. There's nothing here. This falls fast. There's not some zone that everybody's buying in at 22 or 24. This goes fast. So so pay attention to that if you're looking for a place to buy into Bitcoin. I'd rather see Bitcoin. I'd rather see, we just passed Memorial Day. It was at 36,000. I'd rather see us get to Labor Day weekend and have it at 37,000 and just sit sideways. Ethereum, exact same thing. You take a look at Ethereum. I'd like to see all of them go sideways. Let all the altcoins take off and fly, because the altcoins all look beautiful. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Same thing. It's a 1416 is the 2008 high. Again, we're just going sideways on all these. None of these, there's nothing pushing us and saying, wow, this really wants to take off. There's no volume. We're in an oversold. We're almost at overbought on Ethereum. Everything is not pointing. There's nothing here pointing to some great breakout that we're talking about. But I do want to say one thing. The fact that everybody is scared of a collapse and a breakdown below that $33,000 level may actually be the base for Bitcoin, and also the base for Ethereum. The fear that everybody's gonna break down maybe actually be the impetus to turn around. Let's go take it. We've looked at. I'm just going to go through a few others today. Matic, I did it last night. Matic looks beautiful. Okay, we're in an oversold. The MACD is about to turn. The volume has slowly been picking up. This is going sideways. We did this here. We did this exactly here, sideways, and then boom. Okay, sideways, and then boom. Okay, same thing. You could talk about the cup and then the handle and then the possible break up to here. But Matic looks like it's ready to go, and it's one of the real. There's a ton of buzz. What was the on FX Street? They track all the trending on Twitter activity, which is the smaller investors. We talked about this with Dogecoin, and I skipped this, but Dogecoin got listed on Coinbase. It was a smart move on Coinbase's part. Coinbase, there's a new group of investors that are coming in, all people who are just getting involved in crypto. And Coinbase is like, yeah, let's bring them on board. Let's bring them on board. We love that. So, and I, as a YouTuber, like the more people that we have on crypto, investing in crypto intelligently, not investing their life savings on Dogecoin when it was at a penny, but people investing and being knowledgeable, it's better. It's way better. It's way better for all crypto. So Matic, I bought Matic now at I think 105, 120, 170, and 180. I keep buying it on the way up because it just keeps looking good. And of course, we can't have a live show. We can't have any show without ADA. So ADA, what is old is new again. Look at ADA. So we sat there and complained, and I'm going to switch this to a daily chart. We complained for weeks because this was ADA right here. And this right here, from the time it entered this channel to the time it exited, I think I got to get the exact number. So this shows 90 days. It was 90 days, 90 bars in this channel. And everybody's like, ADA sucks. It's boring. It's not going anywhere. It's not doing anything. ADA broke through. Everybody got super, super excited that ADA was breaking through. Now, when everything crashed, when Bitcoin is down 50%, look what happens. ADA stays in its range. ADA's just returned to its range. Now we're putting it back. MACD's is turning green. Not even yet in an oversold, in an overbought status. This looks good. ADA looks good. Matic looks good. These coins all look good. You can go through all of the altcoins, all the major altcoins. The one about that, Luna, Sol, and I'm just going down them right now. Dot. All the charts look great. They've all held, and they've all held very, very well. Oh, thank you, guys. I'm just now looking, and I don't always get to the comments as we go. Greetings from Poland, Mike. Thank you from Poland. I did talk about Ethereum, Sky. What about XRP? XRP we will get to in a separate video later. That's a whole different story, XRP. But what I want to talk about is all of these altcoins, all the altcoins we're looking at. Sol, Engine looks great. Let's take a quick look at the Engine charts. Engine's the same thing. These flags that everybody talks about, like this triangle in, it's not the most accurate, because you get into this corner and you're just pushing and hoping it's going your way. That's what you're hoping for, is this is going away, because we're looking for a turnaround here. But now this has had a strong upside here. This has had a strong uptrend, and go back to what we always talk about. Volume confirms price. Price is going up now, and look at this volume. Volume confirms price. This whole way down, this was non-conviction. There was not a lot of conviction on this downward. It was just dry. There was sellers, no real buyers. There wasn't a whole lot. There wasn't a whole lot going on. Now all of a sudden, we get down to this dollar range. People are all over Engine. Okay, everybody, I just slammed that down. I don't know why I slammed that down. Let me see if I can get myself back in here. There we go. It's my first time on Restream. How did we do on Restream today? I think we did okay. I think this is the first time on Restream. Kind of happy with the way it works. I'm still learning my way around it, but my first live. Okay, now I've got a whole lot of comments. Here we go. Thanks, Toothless. I appreciate that. I will keep you updated. This is going to become a regular show. I'm just working out the details. I'm going to have some guests coming on that'll help us talk about some specific coins and what they see in the fundamentals behind the technology. I'm not a day trader. I don't trade in and out on a daily basis. I'm looking for more of, it's funny, as I heard, Michael Saylor earlier talking about buying Bitcoin for his grandkids. I don't know what's going to be around when my grandkids get by. I'm looking for gains, profits, but I'm not looking to day trade. I'm looking to buy fundamentally strong coins. I'm looking to buy fundamentally strong coins that I think are going to go. But if coins pop in a short time, I have no problem taking profits. Okay, everybody, please hit the like button down below. Share this with your friend. If you have any coins you'd like us to take a look at, I will gladly be going through these as you guys request. Please pop them in the comments down below. We'll either do a separate video if we get enough requests, or it'll be part of tomorrow's live. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for being live with me today. I hope the first show did okay. Everybody, a big thumbs up. If everybody could give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. Everybody, have a great day and stay profitable, guys. Bye.